Good day, welcome to Wijckmans Building Materials and Concrete. My name is Kurt Wijckmans and I'm going to give you a look behind the scenes of our new factory. We are now here in the mixing department of our mixers. Here we prepare our ready-mix concrete, both for transport on the road and for our own factory here on site. We work together with Damme, mainly for the cleaning of trucks in the concrete factory. Here you can see the automatic cleaning system that has been installed on the mixer. The advantage of this is that we can have a quick cleaning cycle performed throughout the mixer during the day, so that we have less work in the evening when cleaning the mixer. In the past, it was basically producing all day long, which meant we had very hard concrete in the evening and had to clean by hand for a very long time. Yes, we actually make sure to do it during every single break, which happens twice a day. The collaboration with Damme has gone very smoothly and it has been a truly seamless experience from start to finish. We have been consistently impressed by his high level of professionalism and his dedicated approach to every aspect of the project, which has helped us achieve a higher quality of work than we anticipated. Within a week, there will always be a solution for any problem. We have been with the old factory since, I think, 2006, that Damme has been coming here for the cleaning of the old concrete plant. We then decided last year to install a new plant with new mixers, which meant we were looking for a good supplier again for cleaning the mixers. And that is when Damme came out on top to assist us with that, which would be the best choice for cleaning the mixers.